Let's try some hyped hairstyles. I'm excited. A lot of these look very easy. Let's do it. Let's try this very hyped claw clip half up hairstyle. It's very easy. You need a hair elastic and then a claw clip, whatever you want. Amazon has great options. Pick up your hair into a half up ponytail. You're gonna have a bun and a ponytail that's coming through. You're gonna leave it like that. We're going to move the bun long ways, split it, and that's literally how you secure it with the claw clip. I'm just gonna pull on the tails a little bit. And then I'm gonna fix this hair in the front. Pull these out so it's, you know, somewhat even. We need to see all angles of what this hairstyle looks like. I think this is honestly genius. Whoever came up with this, I don't know who came up with this because there's so many renditions of this. It is incredible, especially if you have fine hair like myself and not a lot of hair and you wanna do an updo, like a half updo, awesome. It's secure, it looks good, and I think it's fun to play with your hair claw clips. If you have a lot of them, this is a great way to showcase your hair claw clips. I think this is genius. This is a hair claw clip updo. All you need is a hair claw clip, something that opens up wide. You're gonna gather all your hair towards the back, and I'm gonna do a little twist. And then secure with the hair claw clip. And then take the rest of the hair and kind of wrap it around. And then open up halfway and then secure the ends only with half of the hair claw clip. Okay, this one is actually really pretty. It's kind of like a twisted bun around your hair claw clip. So the last part when you keep twisting around the hair claw clip, you're only gonna open halfway and then kind of go down the hair claw clip and secure. I think this is genius. It's actually really pretty and I'm definitely gonna wear this more often. And it feels pretty secure in the back too. I like this one. Ooh. What do we think of this one? So this one is a double twisted French rolled hair claw clip hairstyle. So you need two of them. These look a little big, but I think we can make them work. Again, Amazon. So many great options. All right, so what she does, she basically splits her hair from front to back in half. We have two sections. This is where the fun begins. So I'm gonna take one section. This is a little more of a messier hairstyle, so don't be precise or anything. And I'm gonna start twisting away and up. So give it a little twist, and then I'm gonna pick it up with that hair out and secure it. If that looks too messy, I'll come fix it because I wanna do this side now. I'm gonna do the exact same thing. And bring it towards the back. And twist it. They're gonna be going towards each other with the twists. So I think this hairstyle is more so for people with a lot of hair or long hair. I think for myself, this hairstyle would be really pretty if the hair claw clips were a lot smaller. I don't have a second one. I have this little one, but I don't have another little one. I think it would look really stunning. It looks like I have a lot of hair going on back there, but I really don't. So I think it works. It looks good. Let's try the viral, extremely hyped 10-second low bun. You need a hair tie, a stretchy one. Some of them are not as stretchy, you know? If you know, you know. All right, we're gonna gather the hair into a low ponytail. Whichever hand you have your hair elastic, the opposite hand, that's where you're going to twist the ponytail into the bun. So whichever way you want, that's where you're gonna twist. If it's on your left hand, you're gonna twist with your right. If it's on your right hand, you're gonna twist with your left. I'm gonna have it on my left hand. Okay, so this is all about memorizing the steps, honestly. When I first saw this, I'm like, wait, what is happening? I watched that video, not even exaggerating, at least 50 times. And then I kept trying and I just didn't understand. So pretty much what you're going to do is you're not gonna create a ponytail, you're not gonna create a bun, but you're gonna start off with the twist. So the one hand that you're holding the hair elastic with, you're holding the entire ponytail at the base. You're gonna take the opposite hand that you didn't have the hair elastic on. You're going to take that hand and you're start twisting the hair within the hair elastic. That's why I was saying you need a stretchy hair tie. You're gonna twist it once or twice depending on the length of your hair. For me, it's twice. And then with that twist, the double twist, you're gonna bring it up to that base of the ponytail, and you're pretty much gonna take that base of the ponytail in the center and through. And that twist is going to basically secure and create that bun. That's pretty much what it is. It does take a lot of practice and kind of like explaining to yourself in your head.
It's like learning how to tie your shoes.
It is, honestly. At first it's complicated and then it's ridiculously easy. That's why it takes 10 seconds to create this. And I think it looks really nice. The one thing I will say, when I first saw this, the girl, I forget her name, I think it's Nicole. Her hair, she has thick hair and a lot of hair, beautiful hair. And her outcome is so different to my hairstyle. So don't get discouraged. Everyone's outcome for this twisted low bun is gonna be different depending on the length of your hair, the thickness of your hair, and so forth. But it is ridiculously easy once you get the hang of the twist and securing it all together. This one is going to be like a cascading waterfall half up ponytail using a hair claw clip. So you need a hair elastic and a hair claw clip, preferably a smaller one. So small, big. Gather your hair where you want it to sit. Again, this is a half up. Grab some of this hair out. Take your hair elastic and secure it. With that ponytail, create a topsy tail and bring the ponytail under and over. I'm gonna secure that like so. Take your little hair claw clip and secure it underneath. This is the cutest half up cascading waterfall ponytail. First of all, it looks like I have a lot of hair. Again, I have fine, not a lot of hair. Fine hair and thin. But this half up ponytail with that twisty topsy tail and then the extra claw clip, chef's kiss. You need to try this ASAP. Love this one. I think Andre said it was his favorite. I'm so happy that most of these hairstyles worked out for my hair type and my hair length. I like that a lot of them are actually very convenient, practical. We probably have most of this. We have a hair elastic and we probably have a lot of hair claw clips laying around. I'm gonna put them to good use now. I like that there's quite a bit of options to make my hair look a little more thick. Like I have a lot more hair, but I'm gonna end it here. Thank you for watching, spending time with me and trying out these hairstyles, and I'll see you in the next one very soon. Bye.